Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 118 or 138 on Windows 10 or 11. These error codes typically prevent you from accessing the Steam store or community features, but fortunately there are several straightforward solutions we can try. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to try restarting the Steam client through Task Manager, as this often resolves temporary connection issues. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click on the search bar and type Task Manager. When the Task Manager app appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the application. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running processes until you find Steam. Right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will completely close the Steam application. After ending the task, Steam will automatically relaunch itself, which should refresh its connection and potentially fix the error. If you're still encountering the error after restarting Steam, the issue might be related to your Windows Defender firewall blocking Steam's connection. Let's fix that now. In the bottom left corner, click the search bar again and this time type Windows Defender Firewall. From the search results, click on the Windows Defender Firewall app to open it. This is where you can manage which applications are allowed to communicate through your firewall. In the left panel of the Windows Defender Firewall window, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This will open a list of all applications that have firewall permissions. Now scroll down through the list until you find Steam, then click on it to select it. You'll notice that some options might be grayed out at first. In the upper right corner of the window, click Change Settings to enable editing. This will unlock the modification options so you can adjust Steam's permissions. Next, in the bottom right corner, click Allow another app. This will open a new window where you can add Steam manually. Click the Browse button and a File Explorer window will appear. Browse through your folders and locate Steam on your computer. Then click Open to select it. After selecting Steam, click Add to include it in the allowed apps list. Finally, click OK at the bottom right to save all your changes. This ensures that Windows Defender Firewall won't block Steam's connection to its servers. If you're still experiencing the error after trying both solutions, the problem might be with your internet connection itself. In this case, restart your router or modem. Turn off your router or modem completely and leave it off for about 30 seconds. This allows it to fully reset and clear any temporary connection issues. After 30 seconds, turn it back on and wait for it to reconnect to the internet. Once your connection is restored, try accessing Steam again. And that's it. You've now addressed the most common causes of Steam error codes 118 and 138. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.